Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in WavePad. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up a WavePad and then import or upload that audio file that you want to remove that background noise in. So what I'm going to do is click on File. Now I'm going to click on Open File. Now I'm going to open up this voice file or this audio track, it doesn't matter. Now in order to remove the background noise, what we can do, now on the left hand side we need to find effects, so keep scrolling down here, and now we've got the option to remove noise, so go ahead and click onto that, and then it's going to select the noise type. Now we want to go ahead and select the type of noise you have on your audio track. So we got old or low quality recording, low volume recording, brief clicks, brief popping sounds, constant low frequency noise like hums caused by electrical interference, background traffic noise, AI automatic noise removal. So go ahead and choose which one you've got on your clip. So yeah, so basically select that. So for this I'm just going to do AI automatic noise removal and click onto next. Then we can preview the file. So you want to go ahead and click onto next, and now it's going to go ahead and clean that noisy voice, so just give that a few moments. Now once it starts cleaning, you're probably going to notice the background noise is going to be trimmed out as it goes.